Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan, and today we have a new video related to different shortcut keys used in Microsoft Excel. So how could we apply different shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel to perform our tasks very quickly and rapidly? So let's start from the first key, that is copy. For copying a text, we can use a shortcut key that is used for Control C for copying a text or a particular cell address. And the other one is used for paste. Paste means you want to paste the selected text that you have to copy it from the Control C shortcut key. And Control V is used for paste. So they are used together. For example, right now I want to copy that text, that is C10 cell address. So I'm not using my mouse. I want to use just shortcut key from the keyboard. So I will use Control plus C key. I am pressing Control and after that I will press the C. So you can notice that the text is highlighted, means that text is copied now, and I want to move that text to another location or another cell address. So you have to move your mouse pointer, or you have to move from the keyboard arrow keys as well, and you have to select the particular cell address where you want to copy that text. So again I will use the next shortcut key, that is Control V, used for pasting a text. So I will press the Control key and the V key together. So you will notice the text is appeared on the next location. So that is called copying a text. So you can copy a text by using Control C key and pasting by using Control V key. So again, move towards the next one, that is called cut. Cut means you want to move permanently your text to another location. While copying a text means you want to copy the image of the text to another location. So there is a difference between copy and cut. So cut means you want to permanently move your text to another location, another cell address. So now I will apply the cut shortcut key, that is Control plus X. So right now I want to cut that text permanently. So I will press, first of all you have to select this one and you have to press the Control plus X key. So that text is highlighted. You have noticed that I have select the F10 address and that text is highlighted. That means you have to cut that text. Now I have to move to another location. For example, I want to move this one. This is the location. And again, the Control V key is used for pasting. So I will use Control V. So you will notice the text is permanently moved into the I10 address. From the F10, it moved towards to the I10. So cut is used for permanently move the text to another location. That is Control X key is used for cutting the text. Now I will move towards the next key, that is undo. Undo means you want to perform any operation wrong and you want to correct that operation. You want to undo that operation. So there is a facility that is called Control plus Z shortcut key is used for undo operation. For example, I want to perform that operation undo. So I will press the Control plus Z key. So you have noticed that the text is again moved towards the previous location because that operation is wrong. I do not want to perform that operation. So undo operation is used to perform any mistake, any error you want to perform that operation again. or you want to write correct that text or operation, so you will use undo. So undo means recall your text again. So you have noticed that the copy is moved towards the previous position. That is, I have applied for the cut operation. Again, the redo is used for control Y. Control Y means you want to perform that operation again. So I will press the control key from the keyboard and then the Y key from the keyboard. So you will notice that the text is appeared on the next position. So that is called control Z key is used for redo. Again, I will apply the control Z. You can see the previous, that means undo, and the control Y is redo. So these are the some shortcut keys used in Microsoft Excel to perform different text operation. For example, you can apply different operation on text or the cell address values. That is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy, paste, cut, undo, and redo. And these are the shortcut keys used to perform these operations without using mouse. I hope students you will understand and you will apply these shortcut keys on different cell addresses and text operations, and the remaining 5 shortcut keys I will explain in the next class. So until that, Allah Hafiz, I am going to signing out.